Denville Hall is a historic building in Northwood, a town in the London Borough of Hillingdon, England, which is used as a retirement home for professional actors, actresses and members of other theatrical professions. The present building incorporates part of a 16th-century house, which was substantially rebuilt in 1851 and later considerably extended after becoming a retirement home in 1926. Many well-known British actors and actresses have resided there. The hall includes part of a 16th-century house called Mays Farm. In the 18th century it belonged to the Judge Sir John Vaughan. In 1851 it was rebuilt in Victorian Gothic style by Daniel Norton and renamed Northwood Hall. Alfred Denville, impresario, actor, manager and MP, bought the hall in 1925 and dedicated it to the acting profession in memory of his son Jack, who had died at the age of 26 after onstage complications with re-aggravated World War I injuries. He renamed the building Denville Hall and created a charity in the same name. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.